Hello and welcome. On behalf of everyone at H+ Nano, I'd like to extend our deepest gratitude. Over the course of this clinical trial, you will be helping us test a range of groundbreaking technologies within the field of medicine. Technologies that will change the way our bodies fight off diseases, technologies that will change the world. By now, the Lord Pierce Wachter staff should have provided you with this trial's informed consent form. As you've probably read, this is not actually a drug, but rather a device. What does that mean exactly? Well, before we begin our work together, I'd like to tell you a bit more about the product and what you should expect during your stay at the clinic. We call it the N54, and in its simplest terms, it's a medical implant. However, this one is very small. And so you may have also read, it will be administered to you like a drug, through one saline injection at the top of the spine. During your first week of the trial, there will be no test, so to speak. It's during this initial period that the implant will need time to become active and develop a relationship with your nervous system. So use this time to relax, surf the web, watch some films, or read a good book. You may also be wondering why this trial prohibits the use of personal wireless devices such as phones, tablets, and laptops. This is because the microscopic implant is very sensitive to a range of wireless frequencies that could affect our test results. We apologize for the inconvenience and appreciate your understanding. After your first week, you'll be asked to participate in a variety of aerobic, anaerobic, and passive tests. This will allow us to observe how the implant is reacting to various body processes. If you begin to develop cloudy vision during your stay, do not be alarmed. This is an expected symptom during your second week and should subside by the end of the third or fourth week. In general, we expect this to be a completely safe and harmless trial. But please remember, however, that if at any point you experience one or more of the following symptoms, trembling or muscle spasms, frontal migraine, sharp pain in the sinuses or behind the eyes, uncontrolled contractions of the stomach, tingling in the throat, or shortness of breath, inform an on-duty paramedic immediately. And that's it. Should you have any additional questions, the LPW team will be able to answer them on our behalf. And you can always learn more about us at www.hplusnano.com. And again, we at H+ Nano can't thank you enough for helping companies like ours save lives and change this world for the better.